Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my hair. A lot of you have been asking different questions about my hair over the years, and I just felt that it's like as good of a time as ever to explain the different hairstyles that I've had over the years, and then also the process of me straightening it for the first time in 5 years. So if you're looking for any information about the keratin treatment, straightening my hair, my natural hair after 5 years, and all the different hairstyles that I've had in the past 6 years, to basically till when I was like 3 years old, then you clicked on the right video and you're on the right page. Before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see hair inspired fashion videos, vlogs, etc, etc, etc. I do the works. So without further ado, we're gonna shoot right into the video. Here we go. So, as you can see from the different array of pictures, hold on. Sorry about that. I was actually shooting a fall makeup tutorial that's actually going to be posted on Tuesday. So hit the notification bell so that you know when exactly that video is going to be posted on Tuesday, so you could be the first one to watch it. Thank you. So getting right into it, as you can see from the numerous pictures that are posted up on this video, I have gone through a lot of hairstyles over the years. First started off with an afro as a child. I'm not going to show you my baby pictures because that'll just be another video because I just look so cute all the time. Anyway, so as you can see, this is my kindergarten picture. My hair is straightened. My mom just put a hot comb to it because my hair is 4C hair. If anyone wants to know what 4C hair is, it is the curliest of the curliest of hairs. And I also have low porosity hair, which means that moisture doesn't get in my hair. I have to use a lot of hot water and a lot of moisture in my hair for my hair care products for it actually to get moisture in my hair. So over the years, I've been trying to deal with my hairstyle. I don't know what to do with it. Start off getting relaxers in my hair where it chemically straightens your hair, and I've had that over the years, all the while damaging my hair because it's a chemical that straightens your hair basically permanently, and doing it since loosely on and off from 4th grade up until 11th grade, and it just completely fried my hair, as one does if you've been getting it done for that long of a period of time. So then after I did that, I transferred into getting braids off and on because I was a volleyball player in junior high and high school, and I did braids while I was in season for volleyball. After the season was over, then I switched to getting my hair straightened with the perm. On prom was the first time that I ever got extensions in my hair, so I actually got 2 pieces of tracks in my hair just to make it a little bit longer. And once when I got into college, I actually got my first job, so I was able to pay for different types of hairstyles and different types of looks that I wanted to try out. So I actually went through a process of getting weaves and wigs and braids and twists and all that stuff, and I just really solely did not want to get a relaxer in my hair anymore because I wanted it to grow. I wanted it to be natural and healthy, so I made sure that I didn't straighten it or anything like that. It was solely just weaves and wigs and everything of the sort. As you can tell from this picture right here, this is how short my hair was. It was actually up to here, and it just was not growing. So yes, so then I spent the past 5 years trying to grow out my hair. I tried different products. I learned about my hair. I did not know that there was different letters and number combinations. I didn't know what 4C was, but I like watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I saw a lot of people with my hair texture, and then I actually learned what my hair texture was and how to work with it and everything like that. And then I saw that, like, oh, your hair could be like neutral, low porosity, or high porosity, so let's figure that out. And I did that test, and I found out that I had low porosity hair. So I was like, okay, I really need to put in a lot of moisture. This makes sense because my scalp is always dry, and like my hair is always dry and unmanageable because like when I try to comb it, it's just so dry and I could just hear it breaking, and that is the worst sound that you want to hear when it comes to your hair, and especially when you want it to grow out. So I tried different products, every single product you can name, just with my face products for like clearing up my acne. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a card right here linked to my previous vlog video where I explain all about my acne treatment and everything like that. So I tried different things, and eventually I did wear my hair natural, because there's a stigma in the community that I live with that you don't see a lot of people of African American descent, and you don't see a lot of people with African American descent that wears their hair natural. So I didn't have a lot of people that I saw around me that wore their hair natural. Usually it was like in a protective style, which is braids, twists, etc., or wore their hair straight. So I personally wasn't comfortable wearing my hair straight because I had never seen my natural curl pattern before, other than in baby pictures. And then also on top of that, I just didn't know how to work with it, wasn't comfortable wearing it out quite yet. But eventually, towards my end of my college years, I started wearing it out, and I wore it out naturally, and I really liked it. But I still was getting the really dry hair, and so I was like, okay, well, I need to put this out. I need to try hot oil treatments, that sort of thing. And that worked for quite a while, but then I got bored because there was only so many hairstyles that I learned and so many hairstyles that I can do with my hair. So I actually decided to get a protective style in, and so I got weaves and wigs, and wigs with natural hair wefts in it, but you actually just put it on like a wig, but it's natural hair, so it looked like I had a weave in my hair. So that's pretty much it. So I got that, just went through all the different processes. I eventually graduated from college, and I decided that I'm gonna like have it grow out as much as it can now, but eventually I'm gonna want to straighten it so I can do a length check. I wanted it to get it professionally done, and also get the professional to cut my split ends, because I know how to cut my split ends, but not as in depth or as much as I should be cutting it, because I just do like a little dusting, because I'm like, oh, growth, hair growth, like, no, I don't want to cut off a lot of stuff. So a couple days ago, I actually end up going to my aunt, who's a hairstylist, and she actually straightened my hair. And this is the first time I've had my hair straightened for the first time in 5 years. Not done my hair in that 5 years as well, because she was the sole person that would do my mom and my hair. And so yeah, she worked with my hair. I asked for a keratin treatment. It's not the standard keratin treatment that you would normally see on YouTube, where they actually use all natural, but it does have formaldehyde in it, which is known to causing cancer. So I didn't have her do that, but she did use a shampoo and conditioner that had keratin treatment in it. When she did that, as you can see with the clip, she washed my hair, blow dried it, detangled it, put me underneath the dryer. She straightened it with a blow dryer. So you see in this clip right here, this is actually how my hair is after it's been straightened. But this is before she took off a little bit of inches, and this is how it looks now. So I'm very happy with the growth. This is as long as it's ever been. When I tell you that my hair has been like this, like basically all my life, it's been like this all my life, and this is the longest it's been. And for a lot of people, some people, whatever, this may not be considered a long hairstyle, but for me, and especially the African American community, this is long hair, because our hair has trouble of growing. I'm not going to say that our hair doesn't grow, because you know, I've watched a lot of YouTubers, and your hair can grow. We just have a very tough time finding the right products and the right rhythm and the right way of washing our hair to have it grow and get the nutrients that it needs, compared to like other people that might have an easier way of finding out what their hair needs, and like it just grows like tumbleweeds. So this is what my hair looks like now, and it's actually below my back. I don't know if I can switch around real quick. So it looks shorter when I put it up in the front, but this is actually how it is in the back. And I just like, every time when I walk by a mirror, like I literally just look at my hair, because like this is the longest it's ever been, and I'm so happy that it's growing. She of course used protective heat spray on my hair, so it didn't damage or anything like that. She did trim my split ends, but she could have trimmed a lot more, because I still have split ends, but I didn't want her to take off a lot. But eventually, like, I'm gonna have to have her do it. So yeah, so that is the journey from where my hair was to how it is now. I still have long ways away of where I want it to be, but I hope you guys like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you can come on this journey with me to where I want it to be. And without further ado, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I just said, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when the next video is gonna be posted. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on Tuesday.